Hello everyone, Andre here from Werkspec Mainland. Frequently asked questions is, do we only specialize and work on VW and Audis? We also do work on other vehicles. We do services, maintenance and minor repairs on other vehicles, although we specialize VW, Audi and Porsche.
Hi, so one of the questions we get asked a lot is, are we RMI approved? The answer to that is yes, we are 5-star RMI approved, which means we have all the equipment, all the safety, all the insurances in place to look after your vehicle. You're getting the best treatment for your car.
Another question we get asked a lot is, do we offer a shuttle service? The answer is yes, we do. It's in a 15-kilometer radius on a drop-off and on a pickup.
Also get asked a lot is warranty. What is our warranty period? So warranty on all our work done by Werkspec, parts supplied and labor is a 12 months or 20,000 kilometer guarantee. That's whatever comes first, that's what we warranty on the work.